girl. I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a quick video sample of two different phones here. We have the Blu R2 Plus 2019 on the left side, and we have the Blu Vivo XI on the right side here. Just doing a camera quality test of each one, also testing out the microphones. I'm going to be playing the Blu R2 Plus 2019 microphone, the audio quality of it from the video here for a little bit, and then I'm going to be playing the Blu Vivo XI's audio. So we're going to test it out here. Right now this is the Blu R2 Plus catching the audio here, showing the same exact video as the Blu Vivo XI. And let me know what you think of this audio quality. You're going to have the Blu Vivo XI here playing now, testing out that mic on that device there. So which video quality do you think is better? It's hard to say looking at it on the viewfinder here on the screens, but I'll say the Blu Vivo XI is a little bit better at picking up color and detail. I'm gonna go ahead and switch around to the front, and we'll conclude the video. Now this is the front-facing camera of the Blu R2 Plus and the Blu Vivo XI here. Now the front-facing camera does look a little bit better on the R2 Plus actually. It's a little bit more washed out in the Blu Vivo XI. But it actually doesn't look bad. I actually forgot how good the front-facing video camera is on the Blu R2 Plus 2019, but yeah, I'm gonna have to give it to that. Both cameras were shooting at full HD 1080p 30 frames per second, and this is full HD as well from the front, 30 frames per second. So which one do you think is better? Which one sounds better? And I guess we'll see which camera is overall better. Alright, so thanks for watching the video here. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It's just not true. Till then, my name is Max Rock. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.
Nurse strap.